Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to start OOPS concept, which is very important concept, guys. So in this series I'll cover each and everything you can say from zero to hero. But first I'll be discussing what is a class and what is the meaning of class in real world. As we know, simple definition of a class, guys, like a class is a blueprint of an object which have common properties and behaviors in a single block. It is called a class, guys. Let us understand what is the meaning of class in real world, and also we will try to relate them in programming world. Just imagine for a moment, we have own production house, we have a lot of money, we have all the resources, and we just want to create own bike. So what is the process, and can you tell me, if you are in that situation, so what is your first approach, what is your first step? Can I go, for example, can I go at construction level, can you go at construction level directly? No, it is not possible, guys, because we have certain amount of information, we have some plan, then we can go at construction level. We can't move on directly without having any plan. So for example, like, what kind of plan, like how it will look, and what is the color, what is the height, and some functionality like how it will start, how it will stop, or you can say in that bike how many number of wheels, like that. So we have certain degree of information, then we can move on at construction level, guys. So I have drawn one image, you can see here. Using this image, how many number of bikes we can create? Can you tell me? Yes, we can create n number of bikes using this layout, because this is a layout, guys. Actually, this is a blueprint in real world. Okay, this is a blueprint in real world. Using this blueprint, this layout, we can create n number of bikes. Boys and girls, listen to very carefully. This is a layout, this is a blueprint in real world. Okay, because we have, for example, we have created already 3 bikes, so we want to create one more bike which have similar common properties and behavior. So so that time we don't need to create one more layout for that particular, because for that particular bike, because we have already layout blueprint, so we can just use it. So this layout, this is a blueprint in real world. And guys, I have written information, you can see here. So when I enclose them inside the curly braces and using class keyword, so it will become class. So in programming world, it is called a class, guys. So in real world, this is a blueprint. So that we can say in programming world, we can say this class also known as a blueprint, because this is a representation of an object, guys, simply we can say. Because, and what contains class, how many number of things contains, you can see, we can say here n number of things, but a class contain only 2 things, guys: states and behaviors. You can say properties and functionality, you can say behaviors, you can say methods of an object. Because how it will looks, and what is the color, what is the height, what is the how many number of wheels, these are properties, fields in terms of programming world. But how it will start, how it will stop, like that, these are methods in programming world. So only 2 things contain a class, and so it will become a class, guys. So class is just a representation of an object. So for example, using this we can create n number of bikes in real world. Using this class we can create n number of objects in programming world. We don't need to create we don't need to create one more class, we don't need to create separately class for individual objects. No, this is not actually, this kind of things not there. Okay, I hope you will understand. This is a very basic and simple thing. What is a class? I hope you will understand, guys. So I'll meet you in next video, and thanks for watching. If you have any queries, so then you can write down below the comment box.